Alright, good morning. So it's about 8 a.m. Outgoing, I think outgoing, no, it's probably incoming. I think dead low was like maybe 5 a.m. or something. It's that good of a morning that I haven't even really checked the tide. Pretty much had an insane topwater bite. I mean, as you can see behind me, it is just as calm as it gets. I'm literally just sitting in place right now. But it's gonna be a really good video, so I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Hey buddy. Wow, that's a freaking slot though, I think. They're all into the boat. Look at this. They're all wondering what he's eating. Yep, that's a slot. No, 28 on the dot or 27.9. Either way, he's going back. He kicks right off. I wonder if these guys are being picky again. There it is. Nice. That was a polite hit. Just a score. Look at all these ones busting up to the right here. I mean, this is incredible. This is amazing. Wow. That could have ended badly. Every cast, dude. Every single cast. Every single cast. Every single cast. This is why you wake up early, folks. This is a better fish. This is why you wake up early. Dude. I told my girlfriend, I'm like, listen, I'm sorry, but like I'm getting up at 5 a.m. this morning. And if I was still single, I'd be waking up at like 4. This is incredible. Oh, this is a good one. Yeah, that's a slot. I just wish they'd blow up on it a little bit more. They're just kind of rattling up and taking it. Easy, buddy. Easy. Easy. Gotcha. Yep, he's right behind him. He's right behind him. Oh. Nice. small one. The schoolies really love to hit it. Little baby. Ooh, what the hell? Dude, I've been seeing all these mutilated fish lately. Like, the whole single hook went through his mouth. Look at that. Get him right back. Oh, this feels like a blue. Oh God, please, leader. Please hang on, leader. Big blue. Not that big. Nice blue though. It's definitely a nice blue. That was a blue blow up. Got him with the tail hook, baby. Oh yeah, it's a chunky one. He's gonna eat. He's gonna eat. Oh God. I'm not bringing it. Oh, he clamped the bar. Alright. Oh, that might be the biggest I got this year. Alright, you're freaking ready to go, aren't you? Get out of here. Go kill some bait.